If you're into stock trading or investing, you might have come across Wallitiq.io. It claims to offer real-time trade ideas, market alerts, and analysis from proven traders, all through a simple app. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the thing. Wallitiq.io doesn't have a ton of reviews or clear info about who's actually behind it. And when it comes to financial advice, that should raise a red flag. Some users say it gives basic tips that anyone could find online, while others complain about poor results and unclear pricing once you go beyond the free version. So, is it legit or a scam? It's not a full-blown scam like fake broker sites, but it also doesn't seem to offer much value compared to free tools like TradingView or even YouTube channels with solid analysis. If you're new to trading, stick with well-known platforms first. Don't trust any site just because it looks flashy. Let me know if you've tried Wallitiq.io. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.